Media executive Yvonne Wilks makes King Charles III honors list. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaican media executive Yvonne Wilks O'Grady has been named on the British King's 2024 New Year's Honours list. She is to receive the Officer of Order of the British Empire for her contribution to media publishing and charity. The Order of the British Empire is awarded in grades of ranks and are awarded to prominent nationals or regional roles in the UK, as well as persons making distinguished and notable contribution in their own specific areas of activity. The grades in descending order are Commander, Officer, and Member. These are awarded without restrictions and number. Wilks O'Grady's decades-long career has left a major impact on the UK and Jamaican media landscape. According to her LinkedIn profile, Wilks O'Grady started her media career in the UK in 1984, working with several publications including Honey Magazine, Reader's Digest Association, and Voice Media Group. In a statement from the Jamaican diaspora community, which lauded Wilks O'Grady on her achievement, said that after she returned home to Jamaica in 1998, she shepherded the transformation of Radio Jamaica into the RJR Communications Group. She was also instrumental in relaunching JBC, also known as Super Supreme, into Television Jamaica. Wilks O'Grady served as Director of Marketing at the RJR Communication Group until March of 2005, when she took on the role of Deputy Managing Director at the UK's Voice Media Group. She is considered a pioneer in the media industry, having co-founded Root Magazine and contributed to the publication like Weekly Journal, Pride Magazine, Reader's Digest, TV Guide, among many others. She currently serves as a consultant for corporate affairs at RJR Gleaner Group, her LinkedIn profile stated. Beyond media, Wilks O'Grady is said to have championed some charity causes, most notably as a supporter of the Genesis Academy for Children and Young Adults with Disabilities. The Jamaican diaspora community in a statement said it stands united in celebrating Yvonne Wilks O'Grady's well-deserved recognition. It added that her contribution have not only elevated the representation of Jamaican heritage in the media, but have also made a tangible and positive impact on the society. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.